Alright guys, I thought I'd do a quick video on our septic has issues. 10 years ago when I did the septic, when I cleaned it out, I broke the outflow elbow off because it was really old septic, and we bricked our leach field, I think, so I'm not sure what we're going to do there. We're going to try to find out if it's just a blockage or if it's hosed. But in the meantime, when we flipped these two big concrete lids up, it was a pain in the butt to get them up because obviously you got gloves on, you're trying to get your hands down into this real heavy slab. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put concrete anchors and chain so that I can just grab a hold of one side and lift them out. I'll get you guys a little closer so you can see what we're actually going to do. Guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to use, see if you guys can see them, these types of anchors right here, and then a piece of chain, and we're just going to attach it to that. So I'll drill this out real quick. You guys will get the gist of it pretty quickly, and we'll get on with it here. These bolts, by the way, require a 1/4 inch mason bit. So a quick layout, make sure I got enough chain. Something like that. Alright guys, if that's not big enough, I'll come back and do it with a next size up. But I think that's the correct size. Alright guys, hopefully this goes in all the way. I don't know if this driver's strong enough. Huh. I opened it up to 5/16. Hopefully that's the right number. I'm going to guess it is this time, so I'm going to put the chain on here too. Yep, 5/16 is the correct number. So, a little bit of chain. And that allows me to pull this up next time I want to pivot it, guys. Just a quick little video. Hope that helps one of you guys out. Talk to you later.